How to hide friends list on Facebook profile. If you want to keep your friends list private on Facebook, you can easily hide it using the mobile app. First, open the Facebook app and tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. From there, tap the three dots next to the Edit Profile button, then select Privacy Center. Next, tap Preview Settings, scroll down and tap Manage Audience Settings. Next, tap Profile Information, then tap on Who can see your friends list. You'll see several options here. Choose Only Me if you want to completely hide your friends list from everyone. You can also select Friends or Custom if you want to limit visibility to certain people. Once you make your selection, it saves automatically. Your friends list will no longer be visible to others based on the privacy setting you chose. It gives you more control over your profile and personal connections. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.